is in the computer. Thank you, Indulekha Karna Mataji. I was on the phone, sorry.
Thank you, Rina Mataji.
Mataji is missing, right? Okay, I'll just pull her here.
Thank you, Lalitangi Mataji.
Thank you so much for your wonderful services, Mataji. It's so nice to see you. And you have a wonderful name.
Mataji. Please give me blessings to move to do more service to Bhakti Sangha group, Mataji.
Mataji, we need your blessings, seeing your sincerity and how nicely you're serving. We are all very impressed, Mataji. And you also have the holy name of Radharani. Always, you have been hearing since your birth. So you're a very special soul, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Praying to Sri Sri Radha Krishna, Jagannath Baldev Subhadra, Gaur Nitai to bless you nicely. Many, many more happy returns of the day in their glorious service, Mataji. And may you advance in devotional service always with their blessings. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, Mataji. I'm encouraged and giving blessings in the very nice, Mataji. Nice to see you and all in the call. And warm welcome, Shamagaru Mataji, smiling in the morning. Thank you so much, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Radha Mataji. Happy birthday to you. I am so happy to know you. And thank you so much for all the services that you did to Bhakti Sangha greeting service, and also putting the YouTube playlist for me for Srimad Bhagavatam and other classes. You helped me to organize the playlist. Thank you so much. And I know when you were telling this, when I asked for the service, you were telling, Mataji, I am not good at in that. But when I told you, Krishna will be so happy in which service we are not good, if we are able to accept that and show Krishna that I love you, then Krishna is so pleasing. Then you immediately accepted it as really, I could see that even though you are not good at in the communication, but still you are trying and you are doing it. Now today, you are very good in greeting service, Mataji. I am so proud of you. Thank you so much for accepting the service and doing it so wonderfully, Mataji. And I know that you have a group for reading of Srimad Bhagavatam. You have so much of friend circle you're cultivating, and you are preaching to everyone. Please continue doing that, Mataji. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much, Mataji. Because of you only I am doing, Mataji. Otherwise, I will get. Your association is most important for me, Mataji. And your blessings always, Mataji. Thank you so much for your kindness.
Hare Krishna, Radha Mataji, Dandavat Pranam, Hare Krishna Kancha's birthday. I just wanted to say I am so grateful for your association on the call, and you do such a beautiful job with the greeting service, and you always look so beautiful. All of your saris and your outfits, the colors are always so gorgeous, and they look so beautiful with your beautiful skin. And I'm just so grateful for your association, because you are an inspiration, because it's obvious when you do the greeting service that you take it seriously, and you're working hard to do that, which inspires the rest of us to work hard. And thank you for everything that you offer to the group, and for your and for arranging the bhajan group, which unfortunately I haven't been able to join lately, but I am coming back. But that's really a special, special blessing to have that group as well, to sing the beautiful bhajans of our acharyas, and to even if we don't know exactly what they mean, once we read those translations, it's so powerful. And I'm so grateful to you for arranging that and making that opportunity available to us. So Hare Krishna, Mataji, have a wonderful birthday. And thank you again for your association. Hari Bol.
Thank you so much, Mataji, your blessings and encouraging the Vaishnava Bhajan class also. Thank you for joining. Whenever you have time, please join Mataji. Your smile is always very good, Mataji. Please bless me so we can able to do the smile and do the work and thank you so much, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, I will be back. I will, as soon as I can. Hare Krishna.
I thought Harita Mataji also joined, but she just left.
Oh, she left again?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll try to pull her again, Mataji.
Okay. Meanwhile, anyone wants to go, please go ahead. Whoever is present on the call. Kirtida Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Radha Mataji, Dandvat Pranams, our glories to Srila Prabhupada, our glories to you. Thank you, Mataji, for your wonderful services. Wish you a very, 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 very happy Krishna conscious birthday. And I was so fortunate to meet you in person. I should say really blessed to meet you in person in Baltimore Temple. You are such a sweet devotee and you are so loving, so caring. And, I was there only for maybe a few hours and I could feel that how much love you bestowed and how much care you have in your heart, like whether I've taken prasadam, whether I'm feeling comfortable in that Baltimore congregation. It was so wonderful to meet you. So thank you so much for all your services. And as Tiffany Mataji said, I would like to second that. I really like the way you all take all this introduction services so seriously, dressed up nicely in saris and beautiful colorful saris, and you are so beautiful also, Mataji. So thank you for all your services, thank you for all your love, thank you for all your care, and thank you for all your association always. I always look forward to come to Baltimore Temple and have more of your association. And today on your auspicious day, I would like to pray to Shri Radha Madhav, Shri Jagannath Baldev Subhadra Maharani, and to Shri Gaur Nitai to bestow their choicest blessings on you so that you can grow more and more in your spiritual life. Thank you, Mataji. Thank you once again for all your services and your association, and wish you again a very, very blissful day today. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Mataji, thank you for wishes and blessings. I was very excited when you are coming to Baltimore. I would like to arrange one program, Mataji. Please come whenever you have time and give your association to us and everyone, not only me. Thank you so much. Your kind words, Mataji. Very nice to meet you last time in the temple. Unfortunately, thank you so much, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. Sure, definitely. Krishna willing, I'll definitely let you know. Haribol.
We all are here, Mataji.
Yes, yes, true.
Thank you so much.
Mataji has joined. Krishna, Hare Mataji, can you video?
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Mataji, can you come on video? Is it possible?
Yeah, actually, I have my baby one.
We all
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
wish Rita Mataji also it her 21st birthday.
Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna to you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, dear Mataji. Hare Krishna
To you.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you.
What's the name, Mataji, of the baby?
He is Advait, Mataji.
Right, okay. Mataji. Oh,
Mataji, happy birthday to you.
Oh, thank you, Mataji. They took this was a surprise.
Haribol, Harita Mataji and Radha Mataji wish you a very, very happy Krishna consciousness birthday.
Thank you, Mataji. Radharani Mataji wish you a very, very happy Krishna conscious birthday, Mataji.
It's Radha Mataji. She is in the call. Yeah.
We wish you a very, very happy Krishna conscious birthday, Mataji.
Mataji. Nice to see you, Mataji. Happy birthday, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. Thanks a lot to all the Matajis.
Hare Krishna Radharani Mataji. Thank you for your wishes, Mataji.
Anyone would like to go ahead next? Yes, please go ahead. Both of
Hare Krishna, Harita Mataji, Dandavat Pranam, Sir Glory Srila Prabhupada. Wish you a very, very happy Krishna conscious birthday, Mataji.
Oh,
It
thank
was,
you, Mataji.
I
Please
really
accept my humble
like,
obeisances, Mataji. Please accept my
really
humble.
like your association on the calls, your thoughtful questions. Especially when you approach me personally, I really like Mataji. So keep on doing that. Don't worry, you are not troubling me anymore. So definitely, Mataji would love to help you all. And wish you a very, very happy Krishna conscious birthday. Really pray to Shishi Radha and Krishna to
Thank you.
bestow
Thanks a
all
lot, Mataji.
blessings on
Thanks
you.
for giving me the opportunity to join this association, Mataji. Thanks a lot.
We are thankful to you to have your association, Mataji. Thank you so much.
Hari Bol.
Hare
Thanks.
Krishna.
It's all like Hindu Mataji who seriously I just want to tell one word, Mataji, um uh, it was Sridevi Mataji who was there on the call with Chandramauli Prabhu, and there I got this link, and from there I joined this group. So thanks to Sridevi Mataji that she gave this, helped me to get this link, and then Indu Mataji, then Vinita Mataji, they helped me a lot to get into the, get in touch with other Matajis also. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Harita Mataji, for your association. And I'm so happy, Harita Mataji, having two small kids, but still she's accepting the service and doing for us. She's every day posting the Facebook link. The YouTube link that we have, live link, she's posting on the Facebook and also posting the posters, tagging the speakers. Thank you so much, Harita Mataji, for all your services, even though you have very little kids. Thank you. And your association in all the calls that we have, the Srimad Bhagavatam, CC class, you join every, and even Bhagavad Gita classes that we had before, you were there in that calls also, Mataji. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Once again, happy birthday. I wish that you continue your services and always stay with us, Mataji, together. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji. Thanks for giving me the opportunity, Mataji. First of all, doing things for Krishna is never like it's a service. It's always a blessing, I feel. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji, wish you a very, very happy Krishna conscious birthday, Mataji. Many, many happy returns of the day, and may be blessed with devotional service and association. So nice to have your association, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji. Need all your blessings, Mataji. All Matajis, please pray that I should always be there in Krishna consciousness, Mataji. Always.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, we are all surviving by each other's prayers. Definitely, Mataji. Thank you so much, Mataji. And wishing you all the wishes from all the quarters, from all the deities and devotees for a very wonderful Krishna conscious year ahead.
Yeah, thank you, Mataji. Thanks a lot, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Prahalad?
Hare Krishna, Harita Mataji, Dandava Pranam, happy Krishna conscious birthday. Thank you for all of your services to the group. I was not aware until Vinita Mataji mentioned them. And it's so wonderful that you are doing all those services with little children, and you're helping this amazing Bhakti Sangha Japa group grow. And that's so beautiful. You're helping to spread Krishna consciousness to others. So thank you so much, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Tiffany Mataji. Thanks for your association daily. I really like the way you introduce all the, Prabhujis and the speakers who are coming, and the way you ask the questions, even all the Matajis who give the reflections. Haribol, I am getting to know so much, Mataji, with all your questions. So thank you so much, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. It's just the mercy of all the devotees on the call and all the beautiful examples we have that are so inspiring. Hare Krishna.
Anyone wants to go ahead, please go ahead.
Hare Krishna, Radha Mataji, wish you a very happy Krishna conscious birthday. It's so beautiful to see you, Mataji. You always have a wonderful smile on the call, and of course, you're dressed so beautifully. Actually, all the people who are on the greeting service, you all do such an amazing job. And Tiffany Mataji is always on video when she is also doing greeting service. So it definitely makes me feel a little bad that I am not still able to reach that standard. So I pray that someday I will also be able to do that. Wish you a happy Krishna Conscious Day, Mataji, and hope we can meet sometime, Mataji. Very sweet, you and Vrinda Mataji, Radharani Mataji, you all stay there and give us wonderful association on the Bhakti Sangha call. So praying we can meet sometime in the future. Harita Mataji, wish you a very happy Krishna conscious birthday, Mataji. It was yesterday, and you have taken time to come here with baby. So so happy to be able to wish you. I remember that it was in one such birthday call that you first joined, and
It was your birthday only, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes,
And
Mataji.
Mataji was so happy with how Bhakti Sangha does things, and that's after that she's joined every single day, and you're doing such wonderful service, Mataji. You want to post, you post all the videos to Facebook, and I don't think I mean all classes. I think CC also you are there, morning Bhagavatam. I don't know how you manage with baby, but you are there for those classes. Really wonderful, and you always I remember the time when you showed us the darshan for Vinita Mataji and Lalitangi Mataji's birthday. So it was wonderful. Actually, both of you Matajis, Radha Mataji was also there, and both of you showed darshan of the temple deities. Thank you so much. And we wish we can continue to be in your association. Hari
Thank you so much.
you do so much service, yeah.
And blessings, Mataji. No, we all together we will meet in Bhakti temple. I'm very excited to meet you. Thank you for doing many services, Mataji, background services and all. And we are. I am very special in Bhakti Sangha group because before we don't know Bhakti Sangha group. Otherwise, I can't meet all Matajis. And now I have inspired so much to wear the sari, Mataji, like Vinita Mataji, Radharani Mataji. So many Matajis are wearing saris, so that's why I would like to wear the saris, Mataji. Thank you so much for your blessings, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. You're doing so many local services also. So wow, it's so wonderful to hear about all that. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, thank you, Indu Mataji. Thanks a lot. Because of you, I got in touch with Vinita Mataji and so many Matajis. Thank you so
I know.
much.
I was wondering, really, Mataji, you have two small children. I don't think you'll be able to do any services. How can you do services? You have so much work at home, and then you're joining all the classes too. But then Vinita Mataji was like, no, she can do it. Let her go ahead and do. And that's how you, you were pulled in.
Yeah, Krishna is helping Mataji. That's it. He's somehow helping, giving us some energy and time. That's all.
The devotees are so merciful. I really have to thank all of them for giving me also opportunities.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Mataji. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna.
Any go ahead. Please go.
Radhika Mataji's birthday. The Mata Happy Krishna. Srila Prabhupada, Srila Shri Radha Gopinath ki jai. Radhika Mataji, I have seen that you are so sincere in your Baltimore temple seva also. That sometimes you give a darshan in here learning Vaishnava, so all the activities and participate in also, and preparing prasadam also. I know from Mother Vaishnava. Srila Prabhupada, Srila Gurudev, Shri Radha Gopinath shower His special mercy, Radhika Gopi, upon you and your family. So sincere Vaishnavi Mataji. Even your son Sai, I have seen how sincerely he is learning Vaishnav song, and you also very enthusiastic to learn Krishna conscious. Learn a lesson that we should always enthusiastic to Lord Krishna and Srimati Shri Radha Gopinath Seva. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Happy Krishna conscious birthday.
Hare Krishna, Ranna Gopika Mataji. Thank you so much, Mataji. Your wishes, your blessings, and keep me always in your prayers, Mataji. So I know the forward into Krishna conscious, Mataji. You are always sitting in the class, all classes, Mataji, learning and listening and sharing also. We like that the prayer, Mataji. Please bless me so I can also follow your footsteps, Mataji. Thank you so much for joining the Vaishnava Bhajan group every Thursday, and you are giving your association, Mataji. So we will move forward to you, Mataji. Thank you, Hare Krishna.
Thank you,
Hare
Radhika Mataji.
Mataji, you are always calling me Radhika Mataji. Maybe my initiation name, it will come same name, Mataji.
Harita Mataji, Danvat Pranam, Happy Krishna conscious birthday. Srila Prabhupada, Srila Gurudev, Shri Radha Gopinath shower His special mercy upon you and your family. I have always seen that you take care of your little Gopi and Radha Gopi and your Laddu Gopal so nicely, and always enthusiastic to participate and learn Srila Prabhupada, Srila Gurudev, Shri Radha Gopinath Seva, and always attending all the class, Harita Mataji. I don't have too much touch with you, but I have seen your sincerity. Happy Krishna conscious birthday, Srila Prabhupada, Srila Gurudev, Shri Radha Gopinath Savari special mercy. Danvat Pranam, Radhika Mataji and Harita Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Vrinda Gopika Mataji. Really need all your blessings, Mataji. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ranna Gopika Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Go
Okay,
ahead.
go ahead, Mataji. You can go ahead. I'll go
Hare
next.
Krishna, Radha Mataji. Wish you many happy returns of the day. Happy Krishna conscious birthday. Today morning only I came to know it's your birthday. Till yesterday I didn't know it's your birthday. It's a surprise for me. I know you from the very beginning, right? We know each other maybe last 4 to 5 years. Not sure. Yeah, and from the initial days of your Krishna conscious, when you initially entered to Krishna conscious and used to ask so many questions and doubts, and now I can see you have progressed a lot, and you have advanced so much in your spiritual path. Very happy for you, Mataji. I'll keep praying for your spiritual progress, and your kids are really amazing, Sai and Ishita. They Sunday school, they do very sincerely, they participate in all activities, and Sai Vedas has a lot of patience to even handle the other small kids too. It's very nice, you're blessed to have these two amazing kids too. And one thing I remember, initially you were for 20 people, Bhakti Vishwa used to ask like how much I have to put cups, how many cups for the rice and all that. Now you have become so expert. Last Friday you made around, I think, more than 10-15 items. It's like it was like for Jagannath we offer like festival, right? So many items. It was like that. So many items you prepared. It's really you have got you've been empowered and you have got mercy of lot of devotees. I can see you have got lot of mercy from lot of devotees. I'm very, very happy to see you. And most of the times I'm getting inspiration also from you. The interest, how much you're showing in all the activities, all the spiritual services. Very nice, very nice. Thank you for your association, Mataji. Very happy to have your association. I think now you have one more responsibility to cultivate devotees in your community. You have a lot of Indians and you are the only devotee there. So I think Krishna is empowering you to develop the devotees in your community. So I'll pray for that also. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, Mataji. Nice to see you, and thank you so much for your wishes and blessings, Mataji. Because of the Bhakti Riksha only, I'm doing, Mataji. Otherwise, I can't able to do the service and all. I don't know how to put many people also initially. If I in my home, if come 3 families, it's very difficult to me handle. But when I'm starting putting the Friday Bhakti Riksha program, I don't know how it's been.
Now 50, 100 also you can handle easily.
But because of your giving services, so that's why I can able to do, Mataji. It's a very good experience with you, Mataji. Very happy with your association. We are doing many services, Mataji. Even small kid also, you are doing temple services and you are arranging beautiful Bhakti Riksha program every Friday. Even devotees are coming 50 also. You are arranging very nicely with the menu and all. Oh my God, we are doing lots of services, Mataji. Even nowadays we are teaching morning time 7:40 to 8:30 for kids class, taking kids classes, Mataji. Very beautiful, Mataji. Even Isha is not doing chanting. I thought how when I'm telling do one round at least also, she's escaping everything. I will do later. I will do later. After that, I will forget. She will go into park and she will come. I don't know when she is coming back also. But we are conducting the kids program, Mataji, 7:45 to 8:30. Now she was started one round chanting, Mataji. That is very great help for me. And even service also because of your Sunday kids class in the ISKCON Baltimore temple. He is very interested to come the temple also, Mataji. He never says I'm not coming. Even both is even my Prabhuji is not coming, they will ready to come to temple. All your association, the Friday Bhakti Riksha program, Mataji. Even now we are far also. Last Friday you and your Prabhuji, Sundaranand Prabhuji and all came and gave your association to new people in my community. They are very excited, Mataji. Some people are asking why you didn't invite us. They are calling like that. So definitely I will arrange next time, Mataji. So maybe new people will join. Thank you so much, beautiful association, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Nice to see you, Mataji.
Thank you, Gaurapriya Mataji, for joining. Anyone would like?
I think Preeti Vilasni Mataji is there on the call. Preeti Vilasni Mataji.
Radharani Mataji also didn't go.
Yeah, Hare Krishna.
Radharani Mataji also did not finish. Okay.
Can you hear me?
Is it Shyamagauri Mataji or Preeti Mataji?
Preeti.
Oh, Mataji, please go ahead.
Mataji, I'm not able to be on video, but I really wanted to wish both of you. Hare Krishna, Radha Mataji, wish you a very happy birthday today. And we're very fortunate to have you, Mataji. You're very simple-hearted. And we are also very fortunate to have Sai Vedas with us. He's a very nice child, very simple child, and very sincere in whatever he does. And he loves to participate, recite, answer. He does everything to the best of his capabilities, and he's very gentle, very, very sweet child.
So thank you so much, Mataji. Unfortunately, early morning, I'm not really, at least now I'm trying to join, but I'm not really active again. So I've not had the association of both of you so much as I've had with the others. So I'm extremely sorry about it. I wish I could get more of your association, more of both of your association. So wish you a very happy birthday, Radha Mata. And also, I've heard a lot about you. I've heard about how you do introduction services, and I've heard about your Baltimore services. I've seen you in almost each and every group picture that comes from Baltimore. So I know that you're extremely active in the community and you do a lot of services. And it was very nice to hear from others, Pantaji, about your glories and about your services. Thank you so much, Radha Mataji. Wish you a very happy birthday. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, Mataji. Your wishes and blessings. Because of Bhakti Sangha service, he joined. He is moving the Krishna conscious Sarva Mataji. Before he didn't do chanting and all, but when he came to Bhakti Sangha group, now he is doing 3 rounds Mataji. Initially, he is doing 2 rounds. I thought I would like to do one more round. But he was, unfortunately, he was started one more run. Why you are doing? I asked like, why you are doing one more run? He said, now Corona is virus is spreading too much and affecting so many people. So for people, I'm doing one more month. He's telling like that. I was very surprised. That is all coming from Bhakti Sangha only. Otherwise, kids are not like that. Even now also, yeah, if classes are there, he will come from the play also. Wherever he is playing with kids, he left everything and he will come on the time, and after class he will go back. It's
Right,
very
right. Yeah, I see that many times. He comes and and I can really hear his voice, like he's come in a hurry from somewhere, and then he's doing his best to make sure that he attends. So very, very sincere he is. Yeah.
I thought he is going to miss the class, but he will come in the hurry also. Very nice. Yeah, even my community, nobody devotees family, but still he is not leaving the Krishna consciousness. He is reading the books also. He is reading Radha Krishna Maharaj books also, and Prabhupada books also. Very nice. He is growing not continuously. Sometimes he will. I don't know why he's reading books also, but he is very interested. I thought he is doing in laptop some work, but he will open the books and he will read automatically. All of association only he can able to Mataji. Please bless me more and more. My kids also will continue the Krishna consciousness and me also Mataji. Thank you so much for your association, Mataji.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm no one to bless, but definitely seek more of your association. Thank you so much, Mataji. And Harita Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
I can see. Okay. So you can see me, I can see. It's okay. So Mataji, wish you a very happy Krishna conscious birthday. And I've heard about both of you that you both attend so regularly early morning sessions. And unfortunately, yes, I'm not there most of the time. Except for even if I log in, I'm on mute these days. But thank you so much for your association, your YouTube live service, your YouTube posting services. Not YouTube, sorry, Facebook. So sorry, Facebook posting services. You have really filled up a big vacuum. So very, very grateful to you, Mataji, for your association and filling out that position. And your very interesting questions in Chaitanya Charitamrita class and your comments. I always look forward to it. Every time the class is getting over, I look forward to it. And I know you're also very active in the early morning Bhagavatam class. So I keep hearing a lot about your glories. I just wanted to say one more thing on the lighter side with you. The first time we saw you on video, I think it was when you were wishing someone on the birthday, when you were wishing Vinita Mataji on birthday. So that was the first time we saw you on the video. And immediately I was texting them saying that, oh my God, this girl looks like Sri Divya actress. So go and Google in case you don't know who she is. If you know, that's fine. But then go and Google Sri Divya. Oh my God, you look so much like her. I was like shocked. Oh, a celebrity has come to Bhakti Sangha. So thank you, Mataji. Thank you for your association, your services, your very beautiful interactions in Chaitanya Charitamrita class. You're lighting up our entire group. Thank you so much, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. I know it was yesterday, so we are sorry for the delay. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji. I did not know that there is someone whom I defect, but thank you, Mataji. Thanks for giving the opportunity, Mataji. And thanks for starting Bhakti Sangha, because last time I came to know that in Vinita Mataji and Radha Devi Mataji's, Lalitangi Mataji's birthday, that day all the devotees mentioned about this, Mataji. If this group was not there, I think we don't have this association. So thanks for this association.
Mataji, actually, I can never take the credit, Mataji. It was a group initiative. I'm just one of them, Mataji. Honestly, I'm zero. I'm not doing anything also. So it is a big group effort, Mataji. So many people were there during the inception also. Shamagari Mataji was there. Kirtida Mataji, Lalitangi Mataji, myself, a lot of people. And then Vinaya Mataji, Indu Mataji. I mean, everybody. I should mention each and everyone's name for actually bringing up Bhakti Sangha. It's not just me, Mataji. But thank you so much for your very valuable association. Thank you, Mataji.
Thanks, Manjuli. Thanks for thinking that I have that ability and giving this opportunity to do a little bit, Mataji. Thanks a lot for all the Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
She's the
Hare
one who
Krishna.
always brings resources to everyone. So Vinita Mataji, I think, brought it. Thank you.
Thank you, Mataji. Preeti Mataji, thank you. Anyone wants to go next? Please go ahead.
Hare Krishna, Harita Mataji. Wish you a very, very happy Krishna consciousness birthday. Very happy to see you and your kid. It was very nice. And I know it was yesterday your birthday, and we still want to wish you a very happy birthday. I know you by sending the videos of Lalitangi Mataji and Vinita Mataji. It was so nice to see you. You were the first to send the videos of their both. So nice to see you, Mataji, and very happy for your services, what you're doing on the Facebook and everything. Nice to have your association, Mataji. Hare Krishna, and I bless Lord Jagannath and Baladev and Subhadra Devi. Always bless you and your family, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thanks a lot, Mataji. Thanks. Thanks for giving the opportunity to do that service, Mataji. I think you were doing some of the services. Thanks for giving that service to me, Mataji. I'm sorry if I'm taking away the service from you, Mataji.
No, Mataji, she was not doing that, Mataji. There were another Mataji who was doing that.
Yeah, Mataji was doing that. Yeah, you kept me the message, but I was like little confused what service you were talking to me. So I did not reply you. So I just want to confirm what was that. And I was talking to Vinita Mataji, and she said she already talked to you. So I could not reply you back, Mataji.
Okay, Mataji. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Mataji.
Yeah.
Thanks for the blessings, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. You have such a beautiful Hare Krishna. A very nice time with them.
Thank you. Thank you, Mataji. Please bless them also, Mataji, all of you. They need all your blessings, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Jagannath is always there, Mataji. Hari Bol, Radha Mataji. Wish you a very, very happy Krishna consciousness birthday. Where to start about you, Mataji? You are such a sweet and very kind-hearted Mataji. We had a very nice bonding relationship with our family and everything. You are like such a sweet sister, and we had like very personal interaction almost from 6 to 7 years, from when we met like 4 to 5 years like that. It was very nice. And the way you are growing up in Krishna consciousness. I'm so happy for you, Mataji. You're like even a small thing, you take it like it's not like, okay, light, we can't take it light. You take it very nicely and you do it very sincerely, and you want to take each and every opportunity, and you want to do the services. Now we are taking up so many services, doing like in Bhakti Sangha, there is nothing to say. You're doing so many services. Other than that, like outside, you're taking Vaishnava bhajan songs, you're doing Bhagavad Gita classes, initiation, like means you're participating in everywhere. So happy how nicely you're growing, Mataji. And I like the way you're dressing and everything. Your sari collections are super, Mataji. I love those all. And the way you maintain your house and everything so neatly, and you want always your kids to engage in Krishna consciousness, and how eagerly you are waiting for your Prabhu also to come in Krishna consciousness. And you want all the people around you. You don't want to be alone anytime. You want all the association every time. I'm so happy for you. And even when you are here at our place, near our place, you are always inviting very new people, and they are so blessed to have all prasadam and everything. Because of you, they were nice to be in Krishna consciousness. And now even the other people near your community, they were so blessed to have all the time, at least once they are having Krishna consciousness, like Krishna prasadam. That very nice, Mataji. And even Sai Vedas is just like you. He want all the people every time around. Whenever anybody comes home, he just want, please stay at our home, please stay at our home. Even the same like you want all the people around you, and you want to serve people. That's so nice of you, Mataji. Even the kids have very nice bonding, like Anshu and Karthik also want to wish you, Mataji. Anshu, go ahead.
Hare Krishna Mataji, happy birthday. I love hanging out with Sai Vedas all the time. He always talks about his school. He asked me about my school and what classes I have every day in my school. And Ishita is really fun to play with also. We play her kitchen set upstairs, and it's really fun playing with her. Can you do it?
Mataji, to play with Sai Vedas, and he teaches, and we watch more. We play table tennis downstairs, and it's just fun to play with. We go outside to the park and play.
You always like to go to Ishita's house, right? Say that. And thank you. When they were having sleepover, so happy.
Yeah, just now you woke up, Karthik?
Yeah, he just now woke up.
Oh, thank you for wishes.
Yeah, yesterday we were having a program. It was, yeah.
Yeah, when you are coming, Ishita very eagerly waiting when Karthik Anshu is coming. If sometimes you are feeling like I'm not able to come, she is very upset. They are not coming. I'm not feeling happy also. Both my kids also want to join your family, Mataji, always, and Prabhuji also Mataji. When your family is coming, my Prabhuji is also ready. So,
Yeah.
oh my God, Prabhuji is coming. So,
How much we are tired also, if it is your home program, we feel like it's like our
even
home program.
last Friday, Mataji, you went to Niagara Falls and New York with all places with friends. I didn't expect you are coming or not, but when you are saying to coming, your message and all, very surprised. Mataji, when you are coming, your family, we are all very happy, Mataji. And you are doing so many services.
Mataji,
I'm not qualified person to talk about you.
Mataji.
Last time I'm heard class in Telugu conference call. Prabhuji is telling Rupa Goswami he is sleeping only 2 hours. How he getting energy from the Lord Sri Krishna? I thought like Rani Mataji also she didn't.
Our day starts together, Mataji. Even same, you all are also. No, Mataji, our day start together with our chanting group and everything. We all do. We had like separate chanting group, Mataji. We start together with Bhakti Sangha. We keep one in Bhakti Sangha in phone, one in iPad, one in laptop. We all do together. It's nice to have our day starting together. And our we do in temple also monthly once South Indian feast. We all gather over there, and we love to have Sundays together. We all sit together and have nice feast. It was nice association with you, Mataji. So happy to have you. And we do, whenever I go home, I stay almost 2-3 days in their house, and we had a very personal interaction, so many personal talks also. It was nice chatting with you. So happy to have you, Mataji, in my life. Hare Krishna. I'm so glad.
Thanks for asking. Where is my Rascal? Mataji is always keeping for me. Now she's not getting from me. Thank you so much remembering and making whenever you are ready, Mataji, Rasmalai, he is never forget.
Yeah.
And we are making such a beautiful prasadam, Mataji, every Friday, different items. Even we couldn't, we will do whatever we know, but you are searching and doing different kinds of prasadam, sweets and shapes also, like lollipop, that one Mataji snack, very nice, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
And thank you so much. You are beautiful, Ashish. Even we are missing Friday Bhakti Riksha program. We thought, why you came to here unnecessarily? If I dare, every Friday I will go to meet Bhakti Sangha Friday Bhakti Riksha program. We miss you so much. Even my Ishita also asking, why you brought house here, Daddy? See, these people are not good at all. If I dare, I will go to Bhakti Riksha program and I will meet all my friends. That's why she is telling
because
me.
of that, now Prabhuji is also coming regularly to temple. Sunday we can have your association. That's so nice. Like Ishita, she'll say, Dad, if you come, then only we'll go to temple. That's very nice of her, bringing Prabhuji also. When you are, I can see that happiness in your face all the time that your Prabhu is also coming to temple and having. I'm so happy for you, Mataji. Because of your sincerity only, your family is growing up so nicely, Mataji.
Because of devotees' blessings, we are able to come to temple. It is far also. It doesn't matter, Mataji. If
The
you
eagerness
really want to go,
really the first, yeah. So nice, Mataji. I'm so happy for you. Hare Krishna.
When we are moving to here, some Mataji, you are going to very far, so you are not able to come. But the devotees association and Krishna blessings, we are coming, Mataji. Please bless me so we can keep on coming to temple and your association. Hare Krishna.
Mataji, always bless you and your family. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Thank you, Radharani Mataji.
Anyone else is there on the call?
Mataji, I just want to add one thing about Radha Mataji. I forgot to say, and I love your saris, Mataji, as everybody said. You are wearing very nice saris and so beautiful getting ready. I'm so happy, Mataji, seeing you on the screen. So beautiful you look.
Mataji, because of you only we are wearing saree, Mataji, every Sunday. Otherwise, I will keep it side, Mataji. All Mataji is wearing. I am inspired. All Mataji. That's why I can able to wear the saree, Mataji. I can wear saree in 5 minutes, but sometimes I feel like lazy. But when you all are seeing sarees, I want to do. So like that, I'm wearing Mataji.
Wow, very nice, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. I guess everybody is done, Mataji.
Yeah, Mataji, then I will go.
Oh, sorry, Mataji. Always forgetting about host.
Huh?
Always forgetting about the host. Should wish the person, right? I forgot about you, Mataji. Please go ahead, Mataji.
I was trying to get Kamadaki Mataji, but she's, I think, going to temple. So maybe she will meet her in person later. So wish you a very happy Krishna conscious birthday, Radha Mataji and Harita Mataji. Harita Mataji, it's so nice to see you. I just wanted to check, confirm, are you the one who is joining bhajan classes, Mataji?
Yeah, yes, Mataji, I want to join.
learn bhajans. While you're learning bhajans, I can hear so nice, Mataji. And I think you are one secret person behind Bhakti Sangha, doing so many services for Facebook uploads and all. Thank you so much for your services, Mataji. Nice to know about you more and more. And wish you a very happy Krishna conscious birthday once again. Hare Krishna, Radha Mataji. Very happy Krishna conscious birthday. So nice to see you. Like everyone said, in beautiful saris every Sunday. Like I've said, Mataji is very kind and simple-hearted. In Bhakti Vrikshas, if you see, whenever it's in her home, she's always inviting a lot of people. She wants to give Krishna consciousness to everyone around her. That's a very nice quality Mataji has. Her house will be always full of people whenever there is a program. So that's very nice, Mataji. People around you, I think they are very fortunate that you are there with them, and slowly they will also get into Krishna consciousness because of you. It's really nice. And I remember last time when we went to camping in Potomac. That was we had such a nice time that time. And actually, one incident I would like to share. It was actually Akshita's birthday that day when we went to camp for camping. Actually, I wanted to have Vaishnava blessings for her, but there were so many people in camping that day. So I didn't share with anyone that please bless her or anything. I was feeling odd actually, although I really wanted to have blessings for her. And in that time, even Gauravani Prabhuji was there with his family. We had such a wonderful association of Gauravani Prabhuji. And then he was doing the kirtans in the night. We had a campfire in camping, and after his kirtan, I think Radha Mataji, I don't know when she went and told him that it is Akshita's birthday. And then he announced it in front of all. And then we got all the blessings, Vaishnava blessings for Akshita. So thank you so much for doing that, Radha Mataji. It was really sweet of you. And yes, Prasadam, always I appreciate you, Prasadam. You are like always making Chappan Bhog, lot of variety. Prasadam. And yes, like everyone said, I have seen you from the time you have joined, and really you are making wonderful progress, including your kids. They both are doing very nice in Krishna consciousness. I'm so glad Akshita and Ishita are wonderful friends now. They play together always, and I know she's been calling her for sleepover. And that is not working out. And Sai Vedas also very sincerely he is joining bhajan classes regularly. It's so nice to see him learning new things and making progress in Krishna consciousness. Even you are taking initiative of calling people and learning Vaishnava bhajans, and even you are calling me, and all are learning bhajans so nicely in a small group. It shows your sincerity, how you want to learn new things, Mataji, and bhajans and everything. And you're always there in the morning for chanting regularly. And you were doing wonderful greeting service every Sunday. So nice to see you on camera that time. And you're doing many services in Baltimore Temple also. You are, even though you have moved very far, you're making it a point that you're coming to temple regularly for special festivals and even Sundays and everything. So nice to see you in temple too, Mataji. And thank you for all your services. Once again, happy Krishna conscious birthday. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much for your wishes and blessings also. I'm very grateful to your association, Mataji. First I met in Bhakti Riksha program, Mataji. You are always smiley and cool, and you are doing a lot of prasadam. I like what you are what the way you are cooking and managing the people. Very pleasant smile, Mataji, and the way you are grown up, Akshita, is the most important, Mataji. I like so much. Even I'm trying to are able to listen, Mataji.
Yes, sorry, Mataji. Akshita had come. Sorry. Tell me.
the grown up Akshita, very nice Mataji, pleasant voice singing with what is that Mataji? When she is singing, she will do something harmonium, right? Yeah, that is the way of singing I like so much. Even I am trying to Ishita, but it couldn't work. But while Akshita is singing very nice Mataji and beautiful association, Prabhuji and all. When you are doing temple service, so many services you are doing, Mataji, and flower services you are doing, altar services and all you are doing. Always, no matter it is time going to over also, we are keep on doing very nice, Mataji. And we are missing your association on Friday Bhakti Riksha program. But still, I will convince my Prabhuji, I will try to come on Friday also.
Yes.
It's very far. That's why it's very difficult to ask my Prabhuji also. Even I am coming to Sunday. That's why I couldn't able to ask take Friday also. That's the reason. Otherwise, we are very ready. Even kids, my kids are also ready. When we will go to Bhakti Riksha program again, we will last minute. Yeah, some Prabhuji, some special classes is there. Even my Prabhuji Maharaj is coming. My Prabhuji also is getting ready. I will also come with you. Because of all devotees, even now he is coming to temple and doing services. Very nice, Mataji. Gopal Prabhuji, he is doing all services to him. So he is also very nice to do nowadays, Mataji. Even before when I am cleaning the vessels in the temple also, you are not doing at home properly, but you are very excitement to clean in temple and all. When you are bloom the temple hall, Mataji, I thought I'm getting that remembrance only. How he is doing the same thing he is doing, right? The services and all. But if I tell, he will stop. That's why I didn't tell. Otherwise, nowadays he is very interested, Mataji, to meet all devotees and all also. We are doing so many services, Mataji. Vaishnava bhajans we are doing. You are musical voice, Mataji. Always we are eager to hear Mataji voice and all. Thank you so much for joining the Vaishnava bhajans and encouraging all of us, Mataji. Even we don't know how to sing also, but you are trying to teach us. Thank you so much, Mataji. Like kids.
I desire to sing, Mataji. That is enough, actually. You're doing very nice. That's so nice to see.
I think that DC program very nice, Mataji. I was very happy. And even my Prabhuji, I don't know how my Prabhuji is nowadays. He is interesting to show that go on. I thought all the people are filled, so I can't able to join also. Even your message and Krishna message, that day I came to DC program, Mataji. Otherwise, I didn't do. Even my Prabhuji keep on asking, who will go? Call them again and again.
It was desire, strong desire. He wanted to come. So somehow,
I'm
even though
not sharing the Krishna consciousness to everyone in my community, Mataji. But always he is telling whenever going to meet the new people and all, he will share all the details.
slowly pulling him in, Mataji. Yeah.
Messi will come for one Mataji. Otherwise, if I
Yeah.
tell him, he won't listen. He won't still listen, Mataji.
Yeah, nice to see him doing services in temple now. With him and Sai Vedas.
Yeah, I asked to do chanting only one day on the station, but he never Mataji. After coming Sunday temple, some Prabhujis have said that tomorrow is which is very nice. You have to do like that. Fortunately, devotees mercy, he did the one round chanting by himself without forcing anyone. Mataji. So please bless him also. He will try to do Mataji at least.
I'm not want to bless or anything, but I'll definitely pray for your Prabhu, your family, entire family, that I will pray. And
Yeah,
Krishna.
Akshita's birthday, Vivek Prabhuji is asking, Mataji, you have lots of Indian association in your community. Please arrange the program. I said, Prabhuji, no one is showing interested. Prabhuji, last time you the program planning. Prabhuji said, nobody is showing interested, Mataji. We have to keep on to do the program. Then we will come. They will come to Krishna consciousness. I thought realized, yeah, that is also true, right? Why I was talking like that. So, Prabhuji, message, I have arranged one more program, Mataji. That's why last Friday I have arranged the program. Now people are asking, why you didn't call me like that? Because
Your Prashatam is attracting them.
devotees mercy, Mataji. That's why they are attractive. They are your likes. So maybe next time we will meet some more people. Like that.
I will one day, Mataji. It's been long, like we met, and yeah, last time you called, and then I realized, oh, we also have one Bhakti Rickshaw at home, so I couldn't come. So you all,
We usually don't talk anything, but that day you all spoke like because I'm very happy with you.
yeah, like Gaurapriya Mataji said, now it's your responsibility to cultivate devotees there. I think you are the only one there in that area. Looks, I think. Pray for that.
Mataji, Radhika Mataji, and you and all other devotees also. Whenever program which is far also, everybody is ready to come. That is a great association. It is very happy with your all association. I am missing, but even though we are trying to come to your association again.
Yeah, we are as happy to have your association, Mataji. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vrinda Mataji. Thanks for your Vaishnava singing class. Sorry if I am joining with the kids, but I really liked it. That's why I'm joining, Mataji.
It's so nice when with a small child. Child is also getting to hear. He's also hearing. So nice. It's nice to see you, Ataji, on the call, and you're joining with us. Shows your desire. Thank you, Ataji. Yeah, I think everyone is done on the call now.
Vinita Mataji, how did you know, Mataji, today is my birthday? I didn't tell you last time when you are asking.
I got it from your friends and I saved on my calendar. It showed me tomorrow is Mataji's birthday. So that's how I came to know.
Today I'm very happy while doing service. Today is my birthday. I'm doing service very great, Mataji.
Oh. We were also seeing today Mataji's birthday, so Mataji is going to get ready even more. So much now. What nice saree she's going to wear. Like that, I was looking actually.
Yeah,
Nice,
I
Mataji.
opened the laptop, opened the camera and all, and I got a smile from the Mataji and wishes also. I was very happy, Mataji.
Vinita Mataji.
Join to the break room. I thought you will not join the break room. You will just leave the call and you will go. But you clicked on the break room and you went into the
I'm doing
break room.
something. Unfortunately, I repeat, Mataji. That's okay. I will not.
So nice.
Somehow Vinita Mataji will get the birthdays of everyone.
I am very. I will forget everybody birthdays, Mataji. But my friends also told me every time you are forgetting everybody else. Even my family members also, I will forget his birthdays. But you are great, Mataji. You are all remembering all devotees.
No, Mataji, it's combined work, Mataji, Vrinda Mataji, myself, Preeti Mataji, everybody together combinedly working, try to make wishes to everyone so that everybody is happy and they are blessing us so that we can progress, Mataji. We want to please Vaishnava, make them happy. So they bless us, I will progress. Of course, everybody gets blessings from them. It's very nice, Mataji.
Thank you all, Mataji, for joining the call and giving your wishes and blessings. So much. Please bless me so I will keep on Krishna consciousness and move the progress to forward. Thank you so much, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji, we will close the call here, Mataji. Thank you, Indu Mataji. Thank you so much for recording the call. I completely forgot to join from another computer to record it, but you saved my day. Thank you so much.